Welcome to my YouTube channel. I will tell you how cone is important in math questions. First of all, I define volume of cone. Here, volume of cone is 1/3 pi r square h. The curved surface area. The cone curved surface area is equal to pi r L. These are the formulas of cone. And the next, total surface area equal to pi r in bracket L plus R. Slant height L square root r square plus h square. Here you notice that this is the figure of cone. Here L represents length, H represents height, and R represents radius. When line passes through a circle, it's a diameter, and the half of diameter is equal to a radius. If the line passes through a circle, suppose that the circle or any other figure line passes a diameter and the half of diameter is radius. Here radius square, height square, under the square root, it is a slant height. Length plus radius pi r square multiplied. If you like this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.